Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to have a look at ClickBank and how you can make money on ClickBank without a website, without an email list, and basically what I'm going to go ahead and show you is this is something that I went and did with a coaching group of students. I did this with about I think it was 4 or 5 students, and this was back in February, early February, late February this year. So this was about 6 months ago. So what we did was we started from scratch. So we all created new ClickBank accounts, so a test account if you like, and then we went through and we picked products and we picked our niche, and then from there we went ahead and we created really simple pages, but not website pages. We created Facebook pages, and I will show you the one I created now. So this here was the website. This was the Facebook page I created. This was called Proven Betting Systems. Now, the niche I went and picked for this trial and to go ahead and teach on was around matched betting, because I've been doing match betting for a number of years now. I know a lot about it, so this was a really simple niche for me to go ahead and pick, and I had a product in mind because it's a proven product, it's a really great product, and it consistently delivers results. So I picked a niche, I had a product in mind which I wanted to sell, and in terms of this page here, this Proven Betting Systems, it was really simple for me to go ahead and create content, and you'll see I didn't create that much content on this page whatsoever. It was if anything, this was like a lazy way to go ahead and make money on ClickBank, because it really is a lazy way to do this. So what I did on this page here is I created the page, I put on some rubbish pictures like these ones here that you can see, and then what I did was I went at it from the angle of betting systems which had been approved. So in order to find content for the page, it was really simple. I found content for the page from the sales page from the product I'd picked. So let me show you the product I picked. So this was the product I picked here, called Profit Maximizer. So this one here, and it's basically about how you can earn money online by using matched betting and bonuses that bookmakers in the UK and other countries will give you. So this here was the sales page, if you like, and all I've done on here is I've gone on here and taken bits off here, and then because I'm coming to this from the angle of it's proven betting systems, I'd then just go on Google and typed in betting systems which fail, betting system reviews, and then I would take that content, reword that, and then just put it over onto the Facebook page here. So we'll scroll through so you can see here, these here, come on, we'll attempt to scroll through. These images here were taken directly from the sales page, so just a little bit of content around in here, and then scroll up, and you can see here this post here. Let me just scroll this one up for you. If my mouse works, I'll scroll this up for you. Here we go. So this one here, on March the 19th, our recommended #1 product without any doubt is Profit Maximizer. Here is why, and then I went through some of the benefits to the product. And then if I just scroll down here, you can see I've got a link back over to the website. Now, originally when we first started this, we wasn't looking at creating an email list or anything, or autoresponders. What I was showing to my students was you could go ahead and make money without having to lay any money out in the first place. Now, autoresponders and websites and everything, you can do that later, but this is a method of starting from zero without having to lay any money out whatsoever. So you can see here, I wasn't linking to a landing page and then getting people's emails. This was bare bones, starting from the beginning with no money. So if you scroll down here, you can see this post here actually reached 109 people, which is pretty good for a new Facebook page, and not a lot of likes on the page, and also we wasn't promoting the content neither. So 109 people reached from this post. If we scroll up, here's another one, and it's like I said, it was basically just content. So you can see here we've nearly finished our trial with Tips to Empire, and then update will be coming soon, and then I will go ahead and find a review on Tips to Empire and then update the page with that review. But you can see there's not a lot of content on here. So what I was doing here was I was just pulling the content from the sales page. So if we scroll back up, some more content, about a horse racing system that we're looking at trialing and testing, some results. Scroll back up the page. Excuse me. So you can see basically what I was doing was I was just taking content from the sales page and from reviews online and then putting them onto this page here, this proven betting systems. And we played around with this. We played around with using hashtags on here and not using hashtags. And then we've also played around with different products as well over the period of 3 weeks really. But the main product we was looking at and promoting, or I was looking at and promoting with the class, was the Profit Maximizer. And then once we got a couple of sales on that product, we then started looking at creating a very, very simple website landing page. So in fact, let me just click on this one here for you. And again, this was using just free landing pages online. So this method works for absolutely anybody, and you don't need any money to get started. You can worry about autoresponders and capturing emails at a later date, but this system works for anyone who wants to get started for free. And it's, as you've seen, it's simple to do. You just use a Facebook page, and then what you can do is once you've created your Facebook page and you've decided on your niche, you can then join related Facebook groups to your products that you're trying to promote. So for me, it was really simple. It was around matched betting, so I went and joined a couple of Facebook groups, and then I would leave comments in there, and then I would drop in a link back to my Facebook page and say I found this Facebook page. It's got some really good systems on there, and then people would come to it organically. And then once we made a couple of sales, we then moved on to making a very basic landing page like this one here and connecting it up to an autoresponder. So this was this page is still live, it's still up, and this is it. You can see, really simple. 2 football systems, 3 horse racing systems. Get access now. So they put their email in here, they get a free report which we created about these football systems, and in that report obviously it would promote this product here, which was Profit Maximizer. And if I'm being honest with you, in terms of sales and everything, it worked really well. It worked simple. We didn't do any paid advertising with this. We didn't spend a lot of time. Well, I certainly didn't spend a lot of time on it. As you can see, I probably did 1 or 2 posts a day, if that. And then after that, after the system had finished and the coaching group with the students had finished, I pretty much left it alone. And then what happened was, when the World Cup was coming up, I then scaled this up. So what I did was I went over onto my main ClickBank account. I took my affiliate links from that account instead of my test account, and then I started running Facebook ads with this as well. But in the beginning, we didn't do any Facebook ads, we didn't do any campaigns, we didn't do any autoresponders, we didn't have a website. It was just a simple way to get started. And if I'll show you the results. So you can see here, oh no, you can't, it's disappear. So you can see here, photos betting complete. So if I just move my, there we go, move my head. So you can see here, this was a new test account, so because we all did this at the same time. So this is when we started down here, and you can see we made a couple of sales and then we got paid here. And then 2 weeks later, the next week we made another sale, and then the following week we got paid. And then that was pretty much the end of the trial and the test, if you like, with the students. And then I just pretty much left it on. And then this here these were just organic trials and also people going ahead and buying the product. But then, like I say, I moved the links for the Profit Maximizer over onto my main ClickBank account, and then started using that account to drive traffic with it. So this ClickBank account, this trial account, I still have this account actually when I'm trialing new products and testing it, and then once I find a winner, I'll then switch it over onto my main ClickBank account. But that really was it in a nutshell. So it was go on ClickBank, decide on your niche, find a product, create a Facebook page, take content from the sales page, put it up on the Facebook page, and then go ahead and share that in relevant related Facebook groups. And as you can see, we went ahead and we made some money. And if I just go back over to the sales page really quickly, the one thing what I like about this product as well, if I scroll down here as well, people can actually take a trial with this. So you do start to see little bits of payments coming in on ClickBank. So you can see people can trial this for £1 for 2 weeks, and then after the 2 weeks they go ahead and they get charged £97 plus VAT, so about £114 for the product for a full year. So it was a simple way to get people in, was on this £1 trial, and then after the 2 week trial they either cancel or they go ahead and buy the product. But this here, as you can see, so we're now into April. We've only scrolled up the page a little bit, so we're into April, and then we're going to May, and then I'll show it. Like, I mean, there's nothing much happening, but then the World Cup was coming, so I did a couple of posts on here for the World Cup. So you can see straight away, this one here, 90 people reached, Profit Maximizer, take a 2 week trial. Scroll up, and I'm sure I did an advertisement on this. I'm certain I did. Maybe I didn't. Keep going up. Come on. Yeah, so you can see here. So proven betting systems, a more professional link to the capture page, and then scroll further up. Yeah, you can see here, this was an ad that I went ahead and run to 3,000 people specifically to match betting, but this was a bit further on. But from February, March, and the end of February and March and April, this is exactly the method that we used to go ahead, and we didn't make thousands, we made what? About $250. So $250 for, in total, I would say about 2 hours work, if that. It was simple. So create a Facebook page, upload an image on here, upload your header, and then just pull content from the sales page, and then just put it on here. And you can play around with this. You can put in hashtags like I've done on here. You can go ahead and put in hashtags. And if you are just starting out and you don't have any money for a website and you don't have any money for an autoresponder, then you can just use this method, and then once you've made a couple of sales, you can then go and buy a decent autoresponder, and then you can start buying hosting, and then just start scaling it up. But if you're brand new to making money online and you're looking for a way to make money online with zero outlay to you, then this is a really simple way to go ahead and do that. So I'm not going to go over like ClickBank now and looking at products, because it'll take us a while, to be honest with you. I'll do that in another video for you about ClickBank and how to go over the platform and how to use it. But this video for today, it was just about how you can make money starting from zero on ClickBank with a simple method. So that's it. That is your simple method. Go on ClickBank, find a product, create a Facebook page, put content on the Facebook page, share that content. Simple. Done. So Profit Maximizer, this is the link that I chose. Proven Betting Systems, this is my page. This is me, Mark. In fact, let me click on here so you can see some of my other pages to prove it is me. So you can see here that these are some of my pages. Click on see more, you'll be able to see all of my different pages that I've got on here. And I test this and trial this with all sorts of different products. So, I mean, you can see down here, this one here, We Love Our Cats. This was a We Love Our Cats. This was a trial that I did probably about 2 years ago when I was looking at creating t-shirts and running campaigns to paid t-shirts and e-commerce online and stuff. And then we've got video property tours, gift money savers, and we've got some other pages. And throughout the coming weeks and months on this YouTube channel, I'll go through some of these pages with you and show you them. And then this one here, this is just a page that I run for a client, because I do have a consultancy business where we go and run people's Facebook pages. This one here, Not Taught at School, this is my main page. Well, this is one of my main pages on this account. But if you are new here and this is your first time on the channel, my name is Mark. This is my blog, Not Taught at School, and we go ahead and we share ways of making money online, traffic generation, about how you can grow a blog, how you can build a business and generate traffic on your blog, and we just go ahead and share just simple, easy ways to make money online. So if you're wanting to go ahead and make money online, go over to my blog here, Not Taught at School, and then just go over here on the right hand side, the best free resources available. I've got a members area, and in there it's got PDFs, it's got ebooks, it's got courses, and they're all free. So just put in your name and your email, go over to the blog here and go and get some free guides on making money. There's eBay books in there, there's Amazon books, there's a Teespring course about creating t-shirts on Teespring, and there's other cool stuff in there. So that's enough for today's video. Another simple way for you to make money. This one was on ClickBank. So I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like, and if you could subscribe to the channel, then you will not miss any new videos. I do videos daily, so make sure to see the next one. Thanks for watching. I shall see you tomorrow.